Hi guys, welcome back to a vlog, very chill kind of sort of video. I have a few pieces that I picked up over the past couple of days, so I thought I would just get on here and share with you all. We do have a little bit of an Hermes unboxing. I have mentioned that we are heading to Doha in the next couple of weeks, and there was a particular piece that I wanted to try out in order to take for that trip. I will say we were successful at adding it, so I'm excited to share with you guys. I also have two other pieces which I picked up for nuggets, so I thought that we can style her together with those two pieces. And then I just wanted to share some other pieces that I have picked up from Zara and Cleobella. Excuse the pajama situation at the moment. As I said, I do have some pieces from Zara that I picked up. Therefore, I wanted to open them with you because I am planning on wearing one of them today. We're actually heading to lunch with my parents and my sister-in-law and my brother. And I kind of wanted to incorporate this piece. One second. So as I was saying, I wanted to incorporate this piece. I am working on already kind of building my little fall winter sort of outfit for the remainder of the year, and I recently added this piece from Zara. You guys know I'm like in my vest era. I love them. I just feel like they are such a good kind of like elevated top option. And this one here has some cute little like gold buttons as well. I will pop up a picture of when I wore it, and I loved the fit of it. The material is a little bit heavier. It's not itchy, but it's still nice, and it's not uncomfortable for Miami weather, thankfully. So when I saw that they released it in another color, I had to add it. I also added another piece because for Zara, you have to like meet a minimum. If not, you don't get free shipping, and we all know we're not gonna pay for shipping. We'd rather add another piece that costs like $50. But I was like, okay, maybe I'll add that piece. Maybe I don't need it. I'll style it once I get it, and then I'll decide. But yes, this is the main piece that I went for, and that is the exact same vest in this beautiful chocolate brown color. Oh, so good. She pairs so pretty with my nails. So yeah, I'm super excited for this one. I will share with you guys the outfit once I put it together, just so that you can see how it looks, but definitely can't get enough of these vests. So here's the final look. As you guys can see, the vest just fits so nicely. It has a nice cinch at the waist, and then I went with this flowy midi maxi skirt. I paired it with my Oasis from Hermes and my latest fall bag addition and addiction, and that is this Cleobella Hobo. I just love this whole chocolate brown combination. And then the other piece that I did pick up was just a very simple sort of silky midi skirt. I am noticing that it seems to be very see-through, but I kind of liked the idea of doing a monochromatic look. I mean, even with the vest, how cute would that look? So I'll definitely try it on and share with you guys as well. We're semi-ready. I'm still in my pajama shorts just because the skirt is like a cotton skirt, and as I say, and I'm gonna put things on top of my lap, I know it's gonna get wrinkled, and I just steamed it, so we're not about that life. Oh, you guys, this vest is so good. I'll make sure to leave it like linked down below. I will say that first, it comes in a ton of colors. I am seriously considering adding the other two, just because when I find something that I like how it fits, I honestly don't mind having it in different colors, just because I know it's gonna be a constant repeat for me. But what was I gonna say? Oh yes, the sizing. I did size up to a large. Usually I'm a medium, sometimes even a small, but we all know Zara's sizing can be a little tricky. But the first time when I ordered the navy blue, I actually ordered a medium and a large because I was kind of like contemplating which one was gonna fit better. And definitely the large fits nicer. Like you can see, it still cinches in really nice. My biggest thing was that the medium would kind of pop open here, where the large actually sits nice. And my girls are not too big. So if you are larger chested, I would say go up to even an extra large if you wanted to. Let's get into the rest of the haul. So I do have a Cleobella, oh, that was my address. A Cleobella piece that I ordered. You guys know, or if you haven't, I will leave that video link down below, but I actually ordered a bag from them, which I do plan on wearing today. So I ordered the bag from them, and honestly, I've been super like into the brand. I'm always on their website. I love all the kind of like beautiful colors and prints that they come out with. And I did get this bag in like a major sale. They still had the sale going on, and there was this beautiful dress there. And then they had like an additional 15% or something like that. So I was like, okay, maybe I want to add it. Again, Doha trip. My husband is so tired of this Doha trip. He's like, I feel like I've already gone to Doha and came back. But the idea is to take this one on this trip. And again, it's colors that I feel are perfect diving into the fall and winter season. And you guys, remember I live in Miami. So as much as I want to incorporate cute fall outfits, I need to play around with what I go for. So it's definitely, I think, like a statement piece. It reminds me of my Farm Rio dress. I'm praying that it fits because I did have to go with a small. My Farm Rio dress is a medium, but the reason why I thought it would work is because it does have a lot of stretch on the top part. They only had a small or an extra small left. So I was like, okay, let's go with the small. Cross my fingers. I could return it if it doesn't fit. So it wasn't a final sale, but it's so pretty. I also really liked that it does have a little bit of shoulder coverage, just because I have mentioned that even though a lot of people say that you don't need to like cover your shoulders and things like that, I like to be respectful in that culture. So I wanted my shoulders to be, you know, a little covered. And I love the like tiered detail throughout and how the patterns change. Oh, stunning. I think they only had the extra small left, so if there's any left in stock, I will link it down below along with like that additional coupon code. It's not affiliate, I don't get paid or anything like that, I wish. But yeah, so stunning little piece. I'm very excited for this one, and I feel like she could have a lot of potential for the remainder of the fall season. And then last but not least, because I only have a few minutes left before we have to go, here are the little Hermes pieces I picked up. As I said, Doha again. So this is the main piece that I went in for. I actually went in to look at this piece when I got my Legends, but that day my SA and like us, we were talking so much that I honestly just got carried away, and like it was almost time for her to close, and I'm like, okay, I gotta go. Charge me for my Legends and like let me get out of here because I don't want you to like leave late or anything. And I completely forgot to ask her for this. So I have been eyeing the triangle scarves, and what I really like about those and why I wanted to go that route for this trip is that it has a lot less fabric than the regular cashmere shawls or even scarves. I do own a full 140, I think, cashmere shawl from them. Beautiful. I love it for winter. And then you guys know I have a couple of their 90cm scarves. But the 90cm scarves, even though they'll cover my shoulders a little bit, I don't think that like they'll cover them enough. So I wanted something a little bit larger. So the triangle scarves I thought would be perfect. I did try on the, I think it's the Panther one. Let me share you guys the unboxing. So I think it was like the Panther style. But I really didn't like that, like the focus on my back was the Panther. I wanted something a little bit more like girly in a sense. That one was beautiful because it had a ton of like really pretty colorful flowers. But again, this one was the one that I was eyeing originally. And as soon as she brought it out, I was like, that's it. That's the one. So we have here the triangle scarf in this stunning navy blue color with all these beautiful, I want to say they're orchids, maybe I'm wrong. So I will correct myself. But you guys, look at the colors in this piece. I am blown away. I do have a few like obviously simple basic color outfits that I'm planning on taking, so this would be the perfect statement piece to throw over top. It is not 100% cashmere. Hold on, let me look at the tag, which is what I wanted. I didn't want it to be 100% cashmere because I felt like it was going to make me really warm. So this one is 70% cashmere, 30% silk. So I'm keeping my fingers crossed that it will not make me too hot. We do plan on walking. I know that Doha is going to be very warm, but it's also like desert type temperature, so I don't feel like it's going to be extremely humid. So I'm definitely going to keep you guys posted. I do plan on vlogging a little bit over there just to share with you guys, because I feel like Doha is such a like, it's one of those like exotic places for me that I honestly never thought I would be visiting. So I'm super excited. So I definitely like want to document that just for our memories. But you guys know I love sharing with you like what I wore and things like that. So yes, this was the piece that I picked up. Again, beautiful. They do have various combinations available at the moment, and I feel like they do release different ones from time to time. I also love this beautiful sort of like, how many times can I say beautiful? But this very pretty kind of like off-white piping that goes throughout the entire scarf. I mean, the attention to detail, so there. So yes, I'm very, very excited. This was the first piece I picked up. And then I picked up two other little things. So let's get into those. And then I did want to share with you guys, they just released their new fragrance. I think it's called, yeah, Barenia. And I'm so particular with fragrances. I honestly am not that person that has like 110 different perfumes in her like vanity or anything like that. Again, find something, like it, stick with it. And right now I had been wearing the Cartier. I think it's Cartier. My mom gave it to me. I really liked it. I'm not a floral scent type of gal. I like more kind of like a little bit of a stronger scent. So she gave me, my SA gave me this one to try out. Guys, let me show you the presentation of this little sample. It's like a little miniature bottle of what the actual bottle looks like. It even has like these stud details on the top part. I love this. This was so adorable. But I actually tried like the little tiny sample that she did give me, and I do like it. I'm still like getting along with it and trying to see, you know, how it is that I really feel about it. But it's definitely sort of like that scent that I prefer, not the florally scent that a lot of people like, but I personally just don't. That's that. My chair looks a hot mess on this side, but we're gonna ignore that for now. So next up I have two little twillies, and then the other little piece that I went to. So as I said, I do want to style these on nuggets, so we're gonna leave these for last. But the last little piece that I picked up is this one. Oh my god, I feel like I have to take a picture for Instagram. One moment, please. Okay, Instagram picture has been taken. Back to this one. I did pick up this one thanks to Hermès Bomb, of course. I've shared with you guys plenty of times that she just adds and adds more things to my wish list. But here we go. This is a little piece that I actually wanted for the other piece that I picked up, so that should give you a hint. I love like the packaging. Look how cute this little dust bag is. So you open it up like this, and we have a scarf ring. So this one is actually like the larger version. I do have the mini version in the rose gold, and I love styling that one on my wrist whenever I do like little kind of like twilly, you know, bracelet accessories. But as I said, Hermès Bomb shared this one and I loved it. I felt like there's so many ways that I'm going to be able to incorporate this, whether it is like a neck scarf kind of style that I do, or I can use it also to use my scarves as belts. Possibilities are endless with these like silk pieces. But yes, I really like this, especially that it does come in the rose gold and that it has this like really beautiful intertwined detail here. Last but not least, let's get into honestly one of the ones that I'm most excited about. For my Evelyn, I got a twilly, which as soon as I saw that one, I fell in love. I told my SA, I want this one for sure. I didn't know that it came in this color combination, but as soon as I went online and I saw it, I was like, oh my gosh, I need it. I will be twinning with a fellow YouTuber friend here, Cece. You guys probably caught that she actually got offered her dream bag, her Birkin 30 recently, and she added these two onto her bag as well. So I know we are definitely going to be twinning. But yes, I saw these and I haven't really done like the matchy twilly moment, but with these two, I honestly felt like it was the perfect style to go for. These are their little cute twilly boxes that we all know and love. Oh my god, so cute. Okay, so here is, I'm running out of space. Again, I'll pop up the name on the screen, but it is this style and I loved the color. I love anything that has orange and kind of like blues in it to pair with nugget, just because I think like it really pops. You see how stunning that looks? Like it really pops in the contrast of the gold. I think it looks so pretty. It's also such a good classic combination that this twilly has. So I feel like I'll be able to style her with them and I can keep them on year round basically. But the main thing that I do really like about this twilly in particular is, as you can see, you do have kind of like the dark sort of checkered style here on this side. But when you turn it around, the checkered style now sort of becomes little polka dots, and it's in white polka dots instead of the black. So the idea is to do one handle with the dark color and then the other handle with the lighter option. Okay, we're back. I left, we already went to lunch, did everything. I couldn't finish filming this, so I'm gonna go ahead and film it now just to share with you guys. But basically what we did on this side, we're gonna go ahead and do on the other side. I feel like styling these twillies, it's kind of like patience. You definitely need to do it a couple more times, but here's how she looks. I love it, you guys. I love the contrast of like the really light color and then the black against the gold, as I said, and then it does pick up on the really pretty like orange and then the blue kind of grayish tones. Super cute. Let's head on towards the back and do the same thing. In this one, instead of using the darker shade, which is like the black, I want this part to show instead. If I can share with you guys, you see you do have like the darker shade here in the front, and then in the back it just basically almost looks like a different twilly, to be honest, because you do have like the lighter shades kind of peeping through. I love it. I think it paired so nicely with this piece. That is pretty much it for today's video. I just wanted to kind of share with you guys a few of the pieces that I had picked up, and I hope you just enjoyed kind of like sitting here and chatting or listening to me chat for a little bit. As always, I really appreciate you guys taking some time out of your day to hang out with me today. I hope to catch you all in my next one. Bye everyone.